Because the first thing you want is a strip that's the width you want of your hexagon. Then you need some to divide that with 60-degree angles to make these diamond shapes. You can use this as a template, or make a template that you can use. Now quilters know all about this shape. And then you cut the tips off the diamond shape to get your hexagon. And you can trace all of that out and manually do that, or you can use this wonderful gadget that'll make it everyone the same and save you heaps of time. So the first thing you make with this, it will have paid for itself. It's like $20 or something, under $25, I can't remember exactly. And a standard set square, which gives you a 60-degree angle or a 30-degree angle, which you use for other things. And of course, when you're cutting stained glass, textured side down, shiny smooth side up. Oh, could do with a bit of a wash. It's a bit dusty. And of course, clean the tip of your glass scorer before you start. So at the 40 mark, we come on the edge here, and I've got another video about how to make one of these boards, and just do your lovely, well, I'll call it 4 centimeters because I can deal with that measure. Cut the strip. Just easily break it with a pen, or you can just do it with your hand. So here I've got the pen there, and I'm just going to press. And it's cut. We want to look at, and I'll try not to bump the camera, at making the diamonds. So we get this set square with the 60-degree angle, and let me move that over a little bit so I don't bump you. And I'm just going to cut off this from here just to get rid of the bit that's not going to work for us. So that could be at any length. Hopefully you can see all of this quite well. So this one's going to be at about 20, and I'm going to just slice that off and break it with my hands. Easy peas. And then we have the nice straight bit here. Oops. And we can then come in at 40 and make our first diamond. And these are easy enough to do this. So you'll go and cut all of your diamonds up that end. Then you come back to cut the points off. So if it's 40, you cut the points off at half that amount. So at 40, we want to go at 20. So you can use any measure you like, and know that when you cut the points off, it's half the width of that strip. One there. And there. So you can use your running pliers if you want, or just your hands, and you end up with these perfect diamonds. And of course the perfect hexagon. How easy is that? The next question is, how do I make the straight edge? We take one of our hexagons, we just pop it there on any side, it doesn't matter, unless it's got a grain in it that you want to follow a pattern. And then because we know it's 4 centimeters across, we only want to go in at the 2 centimeter mark and cut the hexagon in half. As simple as that. It's like, oh, wow. We can turn this into a giant hexagon as well. All I need to do with these little leftover triangles is to nip one corner off, which will be pointing to the centre of the flower, and nip the other corners off and slightly round. And here we have the most adorable little flower. I just pop that in there. I need a stick. Hands are very wobbly today. How cute is that?